Hello everybody, welcome to my video. This is K. Pritish Kumar, first B.Ed English, studying in Sakti Institute of Teacher Education and Research, Palakanuthu, Ottanchhatram, Dindigul district. Today we are going to see gender, school and society. Unit 3. Unit name is Gender and School Curriculum. My topic is transgender, providing opportunities for education, employment and developing life skills. Transgender meaning those whose identity as male or female is not clearly evident is known as transgender or third gender. They are found in all parts of the world. In USA, 4.11 lakhs transgenders in 2011. In Tamil Nadu, there are 22,364 transgenders. Problems of transgender. Transgender do not come under the biological classifications of male or female. At the age of 5 to 8, when parents get assured their children are changing into transgender, they drive them out of the houses. These children have no education, employment opportunities, and social recognition, and are not able to enjoy the equal rights and opportunities like other normal people. From the analysis of the data obtained in the survey, twice the rate of unemployment, losses of jobs or careers being considerably high, high level of poverty, lack of adequate housing accommodation. Twice the rate of unemployment. Transgender suffer from unemployment in general population. Losses of jobs or careers being considerably high. 47% of transgender fired from their jobs or denied promotion. High level of poverty. The level of poverty among transgenders is twice that exists in general population. Lack of adequate housing accommodation. 19% of those surveyed had no shelter to stay, and 11% evacuated from their place of residence, and 26% are staying in temporary shelters. Difficulties, hardships faced by transgender. Social discrimination. Second one is living in poverty due to lack of education and employment opportunities. Third one, difficult to get rented accommodation. Unable to enjoy the fundamental rights like other citizens. To improve the conditions of transgender community, Government of Tamil Nadu has taken several steps of which the following are the important ones. No bar in education and employment. Provision of housing facilities. Provision of free medical facilities. Provision for facilities like getting family ration card, Aadhaar card and permission to operate bank accounts. Providing education and employment opportunities for transgenders. Most of the transgenders have not completed secondary education. To change this pitiable condition, Government of Tamil Nadu started Tamil Nadu Transgender Welfare Board. Through this, they can enable to get education scholarship to continue their higher education. Providing opportunities for transgenders to get trained in life skills. Definitions of life skills: any skill which is put into use in our daily life is called as life skill. The World Health Organization define life skills as life skills are abilities for adaptive and positive behavior that enable individuals to deal effectively with the demands and challenges of everyday life. Important life skills. UNICEF, UNESCO, and WHO have identified the 10 core life skills. They are communication skills, interpersonal skills, self awareness building skills, empathy, creative thinking, critical thinking, decision making skills, skill of coping up with stress, problem solving skills, and controlling emotions. These are the important life skills. Categories of life skills. All the important life skills have been categorized under 3 categories. They are thinking skills, social skills, and emotional skills. Thinking skills. Under this category, there are 4: creative thinking, critical thinking, decision making skills, and problem solving skills. In social skills, there are 4 skills under this category: skill of having self awareness, communication skills, sociability, and empathy. As a result of acquiring social skills, one can be well versed with making clear in his ideas through speech, writing, and gestures, ability to express his feeling gently, and also understanding the feeling of others, ability to work in a team with the cooperation of others. Third one is emotional skills. Under this category, the following sub skills are as follows: keeping emotional stress under control, controlling one's emotions. These 2 skills are called self management and coping skills, respectively. Providing opportunities for transgenders to get trained in life skills. Adequate opportunities and facilities for getting trained in life skills. Providing them training in entrepreneurship will enlarge their job opportunities. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching this video.